ఎందుకు సార్?
In my tablet is not working. That's what. Surya. Okay, till the time it is connecting, we'll start the session. Like, you hope the screen is visible, and let me enter into the next vital topic. In the last class, we have learned a very major tool that is called artistical media tool. Is there any question on that? Last class, artistic media tool workout jarinda? 1 minute, I'm just checking this tablet. ఇలా డెమో స్టార్ట్ అయిందా? ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇది బట్టి ఇక్కడ పెడితే నేను డైరెక్ట్. Hello. Hope the screen is visible, and we have done with the first option of the artistical media tool, and that is called preset. Hope it is clear now. Preset is okay, because it is quite important tool and very easy to fetch job in the market. If we go to the market, they will ask us to make character designing. Prati company lo first question em adutundante logo design cheyandi, character design cheyandi. ఆ లోగో కోసం బేసిక్ టూల్ హెల్ప్ చేస్తా, కానీ క్యారెక్టర్ డిజైన్ చేసిన టైంలో మనకి ఈ ప్రీసెట్ చాలా హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. ఆర్టిస్టికల్ మీడియా టూల్ ఈస్ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ దేర్. Hope we can able to handle it in a start manner, and you can do it very easy. So let's go to the second part is brush. In brush, what happened, we can able to make a predefined design to go inside it. It make your design to look stretchy. So now we'll be learning how to create our own brush through the artistical media tool. Is it okay? The topic now, how to create our own brush in Corel through artistic media tool. Control A. Now the question, why to do this? Am I right now? Why to do this means to make your design to come in a frame. Example, so let us take this is a design where we need to place our design. So hope we can now see easily it is arranged. Does the question okay? Does the voice okay? Everyone getting my voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. So now question comes like, why to learn this? ఇలా చేస్తే ఇలా అవుతుంది, ఎందుకు నేర్చుకోవాలి? That is a major question. So the best example on your screen you can find the Firefox Mozilla. Firefox Mozilla. The logo of Firefox Mozilla, you can see, you can find a character is there in a circular format. Am I right? So character is not bent up like this. They have created the character in a flat manner and they place that in a circular manner. And ultimately what happened, the character will get bent. So we have tried our level best to catch the eye. Why we need to learn? It can be done in a bend manner, but rather than creating it in a bend manner, make it a straight one and then turn that into a brush, then apply to a predefined design. So hope we have understood why to learn it first. And this is the design, and we want to get it break apart. And we can see now this is the input and this is the output. And the design is used is this. So it has been placed here in the other way. Now you can able to make the other color over here. How to make, get a plus sign and choose a color inside it and send it to back side. So hope we are getting how the design would have been done. Does it okay? So it's a rough example I'm showing you. Now we'll see how to make the design to be done for the brush. Example, it is a stitch thing. So it is making it go for stitch. Step number 1, get the design. It can be done in any way, doesn't matter. So you're just making this XYZ and get them fuse all and get it aligned. How to do the alignment in Corel Draw? What is the keyboard shortcut to make align the objects horizontally?
E.
Great.
C.
Okay. See, yeah, yes, you're right. So you all are very sensitive. You can do wonder here. So hope we have understood how to make the alignment perfect. Now it is the time to turn that into a artistic media plus. Switch to the tool. Now here there is an option called Save Artistic Media Stroke. What is that? Step number 1, select this, go over here, switch to the option Save Artisticals. Like for each today's state, like 22nd, right? I'm just 22nd July. Finish. Now the design come up. And we need to apply this design. Just drag it up, it is happening up, right? So the same design is now in a stretchy manner. So hope we have understood the first step, make the design. Second step, switch to the artistical media. Third step, go to the save. Fourth step, it will come into this bunch as a custom set because user has created that. Now the fifth step, just draw it up. Very simple, it is drawn. Now, how to apply that to a predefined design? So let's take this design, we want to apply that. Step number 1, select the design, go to the artistical media tool and change any design over here. So you can find that is applied, and at the end you can find out our design also, but just making it to go here, and I'm searching it up because my resolution is not supporting, but it will not be a problem at your end. So just have a check. I'm just browsing here. All the designs are here. So on the extreme top, we'll be finding it out ours, but here it is not showing me because of the resolution problem. Just have a try and you can get it up. Is it okay, everyone? So in your system, you can browse it properly. It is not allowing me to get search it. So hope we can see the design here. Is it okay? Now we have seen how to make it browse. So it has taken me a little time because that is not showing properly here in my browser, or this resolution is not supporting. Now we got to know how to make our own design and get it placed. Now if it is so, we can make the character also like this and get it placed. So easy. It may be anything, doesn't matter. We can get it applied. So hope we have understood now why to make a brush in artistic media of your own. And the best example we have shown here, Firefox Mozilla. Make a design and get it applied. Task of the day, make similar kind of structure and get it applied to a predefined step. Hope this part is clear. Now the question comes, what is the difference between artistical media preset and brush? What is the difference between these two? And what is the common between these two? If answer is there, then yes, we got our money back. What is the difference between preset and brush of artistical media? Does the question okay now? Fine. The answer is like, it is predefined design, it is user defined design. Is it okay? Answer catching now? So the difference we have find it out. One is predefined, another is user defined. And what is the common between them? Both are artistic media and get a stretchy design. Both are artistic media and both make this stretch design. Now the example given on that and this, to make a snake design, we have used this because it does have some predefined shapes, which is thick to thin and all things are there. That could be used. But what we have seen here, repeated design. Now let's go into the next page. One shape, the second shape with the next color, and the third shape with the other color. And we want to make that into a circle. So to make 3 strips to be get in a circular manner, it takes more time to get smaller, bigger and all. So what we can do, so get the stroke to be done. All the strokes are not there. Now switch to the artistical media and ask for saving it up. Try. So it came up. Now let's apply this onto this circle. Switch to this and over. So does that is here or not? We need to check. Now hope the cyan color to come up, right? Now get it smaller and start searching this. Where is your design? This one, right? Over. Is it okay? You know to see how to create our own design and get it placed on a regular design. Think for a while, if it is to be done, then how much time it take? Next benefit of it, if we are making this, then we can increase the size at any time. This is another plus point of it. And the next plus point, hope we are getting how does this complex design can be done within very less time by turning the base design into the artistical brush. And then after, yes, select the design and get it break apart. How to break apart? What is the keyboard shortcut to make break apart?
Control K.
Control K.
Great. What is the option inside the software? Which menu contain break apart option? Great. Super. So you can do wonder. Fine. So now we have seen now where the option is, how to break it up. Now why to break? To get it separate, right? So once we have done that into break apart the artistic and media, then again we can able to go for ungroup. Still it is not separated because after break apart it is a group object. How to ungroup? What is the hotkey to make ungroup in Corel Draw?
Control U.
Control U, right? So note down everyone, like if you are getting, because it will save your time. That's right. It's not a question and somebody is answering. It is just to make us to save our time, and time is money in this world. So as a designer, all people will be depending on you. The whole company will depend on you. And at that point, this particular hotkey will help you out. So Control U to get it separate, not only this software, any software, any software of design. Now we have seen how to get them separate. How to fill the color? Yes, you can choose now any color at this place and get it placed. So we have given the basic structure first. Then after we have convert to curve and break apart, and we have placed the thing and get it separate. So hope we have understood now why to learn this particular option called artistical media brush. What is the 1 point answer? To make multiple design to place in a stretchable manner. Multiple design in a single flow to get paid. Then it could be used. Now let us go for a little fun and learn. Let us make a dense sequence. Am I right? So let's take a character and we want to make that as a artistical brush. Then what will happen? The whole body will be under our control. Just take some basic design also. No need to be more artistically sound up. Just get out. So make these all things to be a center line by the keyboard shortcut called E, no? Okay, C. Center line. Then let us make these two to get left align, L for left align, and get select and make a duplicate and select this. Okay. And this, which we are selecting first, who is going to be aligned. Second, to whom we are selecting, the reference object. Then we are hitting the keyboard shortcut called right. So hope we have understood now how to do the alignment within very less time. And get it move up. And let us make that color to be changed and get the subject. Now let us make it to artistical media plus. Select this, switch to the artistical media, get it saved. Now the design is under your hand. Now what happened? Like it is a stretchy design. So we need this design to be drawn. Again, catch to the skin, 1 point to learn now. Rather than making the design in vertical way, let's make that into a horizontal way. Landscape design. Just have a duplicate of it. Go over here and make it group, Control Z, and turn around to 90 degrees. Like you can flip it up. Now let us make this into artistical media. Now it is in a stretch manner. Let us see how we can draw this. Is it okay? Now the same character can be turned into different poses. Hope we have understood what can be done with this. Flip it up. So as per the requirement, go on saving this file and make the drawing in a freehand manner. So hope we have understood now the secondary use of the same thing. State. If we are start of showing this one after the other, then a dense sequence will be formed. Animation is an illusion of motion by placing the frames one after the other. C, E. So first we will show this, then show this, then this. Then people will create an illusion in the brain. The same character is dancing. So the secondary use of the same knowledge. First, we have seen the example of Morgina, which is a rounded shape we have formed. Second, we have seen like multi strips to turn into a circular manner. That is also done. Now, what you have seen with the same example, with the same tool, how to make a character design and turn that into a brush so that we can able to implement it anywhere we like. And yes, a lot of creative works could be done now. Yeah, we need to understand like what is the head level, what is the leg level, and we need to bend aspect that into concept. Does it okay? So you understood like how much it will take this space for one part of the body to the next part of the body, and that makes a sense. Right? Fine. So hope we got some idea. It can be developed to the next. Now, after the design is done, it is a time to get exaggerate the value. So it is not like we have done this and the job is finished. So let us break it up. Control K. And to get this skeleton out. Because this skeleton was controlling this. Once again, check it out. If you need to change the direction or anything, then yes, convert to curve tool, like your shape tool is there to help you out. The whole body is under this control. Is it okay? Character design. Make this design to be under your control. From the same point, get a flow. Now, have a duplicate of it. How to find a duplicate? Copy paste. Here the button copy and it is paste, or else plus button. Once more. Now you see there are two things happen. If you need to have the whole character to get copied, then click over here. If you're clicking in the middle, then the software understands you are clicking only the outline or the strokes. Now there are two characters here. Switch to this shape tool and click on the node point, get it drag around. So hope we have understood what we are trying. Get it, delete unnecessary thing and drag it out. So hope we got to know like how the things could be arranged. To draw the design in this manner, it takes more time. Because it is converted into artistical media, we can track to any angle because the whole body is under the control of a single skeleton. Is it okay? The next benefit where it is going to help us? Now the third. So hope we have understood till now. And we got to know how to duplicate the object. Now it is the time to get add-on things to this character. Add-on thing means we need to exaggerate few part. Select the design, go to the object menu, break it apart. So it is no more artistical media now. It is a simple object. Because it is simple object, yes, we can able to ungroup it. There is a small button over here through the, we can able to ungroup. Again, ungroup all. So it is allowed to ungroup everything. Now it is a time to go add on some more features to this. How to add? Take the freehand drawing and get add. So select this and this, club them together. Now we have understood what we are trying to do. The basic structure is formed, then after extra things are adding up. So the extra things also we are adding just by making simple drawings and then clubbing them together. Okay, if it's getting break, then close it up. We know how to close this. This is just a button closed. Then the close shape, it is also closed. Let it close. So hope we have understood now how to like exaggerate the next part of the body. Yes, it is not for everyone, but if you are looking for high paid salary, character making and all, then this is required. So hope we have understood now how to add on the features. Now get it down, make more features to add, exaggerate this, and go. Take some reference and get it work out. Just even we are not artistically sound, doesn't matter. We are technically sound, just add on the points and go on. You are technically sound, just no need to be more artistic. If you are artistic, very nice. If not, nothing to get worried. Add the points if points are very difficult to add up. No need to get worried. Just we have some 3-point line, add up this. Finish. So what is to be done now? Select both that and this, get it add up. Then modification is there always. Yes, patience required. And you can make it smooth later on. So hope we have understood now how to add extra things. So let us make it a little faster. Get this point, get this point, right now. Get this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, add. How does the structure is add up? Now select both, delete, because you no need extra points to be there, and exaggeration. Hope this part is clear. Get it. It come with the time, so get it smooth. Now the leg part, we want to make it having some shoes and all. Select both, club them, zoom and delete them. Double click to delete. We are not doing any art, so just arrangement is going on, and that make a sense. If your artistical sound very nice, if not, nothing to get worried. Just have the patience. That is only the things required here. And add more. Because on the first take it will not come. Get add up. Just adding the features. So we have started the things in a simpler manner, like, okay, make the basic character, then bend it up, give this shape first, then after convert into curves and add of extra features. But the design start with only a basic structure format, then later on adding, and going up. And the major thing we have seen here, we need to know how to add this shape. If you need to make a finger like things, then yes, right now. If you're from artistic background, yes, you might be knowing all these things. So after this, fuse them, right? And after that, unnecessary points, delete. Just if it is not required. So why to add, why to delete, sir? Am I right now? Because to make the shape. Answer is very clear, simple. So cartoon like fingers and hands, you can take some reference from the net and add, like kids' hands, much round shapes and all. Okay, fine. So just I am trying to catch your eye. Already the shapes are there. Only we need to place proper by taking some reference. That is what my goal of showing this. Give the angle and get it close. Okay, fine. So we have taken more time here, but to make you understand, character design is must and basic design, then brush, then things. Fine, let's go for next tool. Same artistical media. Now we'll switch to the spray. As if the name, the work is so. Check to the screen, note down, spray. So now the third things we have come across inside the same artistical media. One is preset, second is brush, third is spray. Now, in the preset as well as in the brush, the design is stretchy. That means it is enlarged, like elongated or get stretch format. But here in the spray, we'll be finding the designs are in repeated format. So hope we have understood now what is the benefit of spray. So your design is not stretchy, it is repeated. Hope it is clear. So if sometimes somewhere we need the things to be get repeated, then switch to the artistical media spray tool, repeated. If somewhere we have seen the things is stretchy, then switch to the brush mode. So now we have seen artistical media, different category, artistic. On the spot, we need to take a decision. And preset, basic design, preset, basic stitch. So repeated design, spray, fine. So let us see the controller of this spray. Inside the spray, we can find some of the options over here. You can get this enlarged. So that is okay. Size is controlled here. Sequentially, randomly, there are placement. Sequentially. So exact with calculation, one after the other. Randomly. So sometimes double, sometimes single. So randomly. By direction. So what is this? Third one, by direction. Note down each and every point. Very slow. Your job is to note down. The tool is spray. And spray can be controlled in how many ways? 3 ways. What are those? Sequence, direction, random. Because this is your profession. That's it up. If you are looking into in a productive manner. So spray is again of 3 controllers. What are those? Random, sequence, direction. Now we have seen the sequence. Now let us see what is the direction is doing. If we are moving straight, then it is called one direction and the files remain single color. But the time we are down and going for direction, then you can see in one direction, one color, in the next direction, next color. It is possible. So hope we have understood now the 3 options very clearly. Random, sequence, direction. Is it okay? Just I'm taking your approval. But yes, hope we got to know. How does the repeated designs again control in 3 different manner? Now, how to change the design inside it? We are into the tool artistical media spray. Inside the spray, we have seen how the things could be repeated. Now here, there is a small button that is called spray list option. Here we can able to add the designs or delete the designs. Let us take an example. If you need to make some mangoes to come up, then remove all the things, clear all, add this mango. Go for OK. Now make the design to come mangoes. Often you find the design inside the leaflet, brochure, or Big Bazaar and all things. They make the name also written in mangoes. So artistical media tool is working on the back end. So hope we have understood now how to make, add and remove the designs. What is the option? Spray list option. It allows to add the extra designs. So clear? Now let us go for predefined design. What are these? First, we need to see that. Food related design. Then you can find a lot of food related designs. So chocolates are there. Yes. Food related designs. Chocolates predefined sequence, because it is single, maybe single chocolates are there. So you can add some more chocolates, add some red chocolate, some white chocolate. And now let us place them. So we have seen now how does it is placed random, sequentially, then one after the other in a sequence manner. Then we can make it a little bigger. That's okay. Hope it is done. So till this, the things are clear. Now, still more options are here. Here we can able to add. Now the place you can see here some more options. When the distance does count, how closely we are placing, that does matter. 1, 2, 3. So here you can find some of the options, makes the design to go into next level. So it makes the processor a little slow. So I'm not scribbling more. Rotation. Relatively to path, rotate the things. Now we can able to find it much more easier with the next example. So let us take a circle and apply this artistical brush. Maybe like, okay, this one. Now it is the time to check the direction. Design is applied, very nice, but the direction we don't like. It is not in the proper way. So switch to this button and go for the option called angle of rotation relative to the path. Angle of rotation relative to the path. So what happened? It started making the angle to change while the original path is changing the angle. Before it was relative to the page. So page direction it is taking up. So related to the path. Now one more option we have added up. How to change the repeated designs along with the path. This option is not visible. It will not be visible to you. Where it is extra plus button, or here you can find the extra double mark is there. Click over there and it is there. Now here we can change the direction also. To get update text times. But relative to the path, hope we got to know. So this is the option available here. Now there is one more option. Use offset. Again, a beautiful option, use offset. It's quite important. Check to the screen. Because micro level, yes, in details, if you need to go, it takes time to understand, but it makes the design much more powerful. What we have asked to the software here, use offset. Where is that option? It is here. This is the option to change the direction. Next is your option offsetting. What is called offset? From the baseline, how much it has to go move up and down, that is called offsetting. And here we are asking to the software, offset 0.25 like unit onto the top and down. Alternatively, left side, right side, randomly, alternatively. So the things could be arranged here and there from the baseline, making a single leaf design and place and randomly place. So hope again we got to know what is called offsetting. Yes. The next, scale up, scale stroke with the object. Okay, that you can try once there. But here we have tried to understand how to add the design, how to remove the design, how to change the direction, how to get it randomly placed over to the direction. Now we'll see how to add our own design. So till now it's okay, sir. Predefined design are there. But how to add our own design? So let us take an example. We want to make some stars to be get around this. Design the star. Get it modified. So what is the topic going on? How to add your own design inside the artistical media tool. Step number 1. Make your design. Step number 2. Switch to the artistical media tool. Step number 3. Here you can find a small button here. Can you able to see? Add to spray list. Click over there. Add to playlist. Then you can find this design. Right here. Once again. Select this. Switch to the area and add to playlist. Once it is done, then we can find it out here. Where? This is the spray list option is there. Here to add, here to control. Now remove unwanted things. Remove. Remove. Now the design is ready. And draw the design on the screen. So hope we have understood now how to add the design, how to control this playlist, and then repeat it up on this path. Is it okay? And are clear? Is it done? Everyone? Repeated design. Will I move?
सर
हाँ, yeah. Tell me.
स्टार तो ब्लू कलर का है, अगर इसमें रेड कलर, वन ब्लू वन रेड.
हाँ, तो मल्टीपल स्टार कलर होना तो क्या करना, ये है ना सवाल.
Yes, yes, sir.
Make the star one with blue color. Very nice question. It's for everyone. Make the other one red color. Make the other one green color. Now repeat the same process once more. Switch to this, add up. Select this, switch to this, add up. Now we can find all the stars here. Is it clear? Now, all the stars are here, okay? Now draw it up. Same thing with multiple times we have done. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now, it could be again sequentially or randomly or with direction. So that also we can do. So making bounding box become much more easier. Now we have just switched to the more artistic, like technical part, but we can switch to the artistical part also. So making a bounding box with the stars. How easily now? And get this. Repeat, where is that? Your stars and all. Okay. Let us apply the any particular design first, then we can customize it. We know how to add this and delete this, then switch to the custom format. Try to find your stars and all. Does it there? Clear all the things. Get the add stars. Oh. Get this down. But we can able to add our own star also. But just I'm taking it into guess. Then we can customize it to the next level. So customs, and inside this, we can add our own design also. If it is not happening, then get it break apart and change the color. So break apart, because my resolution is not supporting me. Because already it is there, then ungroup it up. And whichever the color want, we can place there. Is it okay? So what we have seen now, how to make our own design to go into a bounding box. Repeated bounding box banana. हो गया. Example inside the classroom given. How to make your own bounding box with repeated designs. Fine then. So hope we have understood how to make our own design into a brush and get it repeated design. So before one, stretchy brush. Now the present one, repeated brush. And inside the repetition, we have seen how it could be changed the direction and all. Next design. So here, random lines. If you need to make a bubbles on this. So get the design first. And remove. Okay. And what? Can you see on your screen? Something has changed. Increase incremental spraying. So this is incremental spraying, what the minimum design and maximum design also can be formed. So it is a lot of processing happening. So the system gets slow, but hope we can able to understand what we are talking about. So this is a button which could be switched off and make that as a random design on the screen. Even thick and thin are there because of these two spray options, minimum diameter and maximum size. Adding new designs and controlling with these many options. Fine then. So we have taken
Sir?
this. Yeah.
जो प्लस साइन के साइड में जो एरो है
ये वाला?
सर लास्ट एरो
ये वाला ना?
यस सर
हाँ.
सर ये मेरे जो सॉफ्टवेयर कोरल ड्रॉ सर
हाँ.
उसमें शो नहीं होता
राइट. ये तब शो होता है जब आपका एक्स्ट्रा ऑप्शन कुछ हिडन है तब शो करता है, नहीं तो ये सारे ऑप्शन अगर आपको यहाँ पे दिखता है तो इसका जरूरत नहीं. Does this are all the options available on your option bar?
यस सर
Then it doesn't require, because my screen resolution is very less, so it is in a hidden mode. Hope everyone got this. Fine then. So let's move. Okay, आज के लिए like we have learned a lot. So what are the things we have got to know? How to make repeated design, how to make character designing, how to make the base structure of the character, and get extra features to add up later on. A repeated format of the. So the summary revolves around only one topic, that is called artistical media tool. And it is a very powerful tool. And out of that, we have learned only 3 options of the artistical media tool. This much of things can be done on your system with this media tool. Fine, then the task of the day. Make a character designing through the artistical media tool. Task number 1 finished. Task number 2. Get a creative bounding box for a A4 size paper. Task number 3 over. 2 is over. Task number 3. Make a radial art with the help of your artistical media tool. What is the question I have talked? I have not written. It is in record. You can listen it up. At the end of the session, it is there, the 3 questions. Artistical media tool use చేసి ఒక రేడియల్ ఆర్ట్ తయారు చేయండి. ఆర్టిస్టికల్ మీడియా టూల్ యూజ్ చేసి ఒక A4 సైజ్ పేపర్ కి కొత్త బౌండింగ్ బాక్స్ తయారు చేయండి. ఆర్టిస్టికల్ మీడియా టూల్ యూజ్ చేసి ఒక క్యారెక్టర్ డిజైన్ చేయండి. If you are doing these 3, then your project will fetch you the job. No need to ask job to anybody. They want to see your works. And exactly mention cheyandi. What is the task? What is the topic we have learned? What are the examples given inside the classroom? What are the options available for the tools? And what I learn, what I can do. Yes, Manoj, just give me time. Just I'm downloading it. Tree design, no? Manoj?
Sir.
Yes, yes. So let us, oh wow, super one. Chala patience unnai. I don't have this much of patience.
సార్ కోలర్ డ్రా కూడా స్లో అయిపోయింది సార్.
So yeah, because thousands of like splines are
ప్లేయర్స్
there, no?
యా
Calculations to slow అయిపోతా.
అవును
Yes.
సార్.
చాలా బాగుంది కానీ it came out nicely. Fine, just whoever is doing something is just attach box మీద అటాచ్ చేయొచ్చు. అక్కడ చాట్ బాక్స్ ఉందన్న, చాట్ బాక్స్ మీద అటాచ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ డౌన్లోడ్ చేయొచ్చు. Fine then,
Okay.
so we can do wonders. We'll be meeting in the next session with the 3 questions answered. Hope everybody got it. Will I stop the screen now?
ఓకే సార్.
Fine, nice to talk to you all. Bye.